What's up everyone, this is Johannes Bonito, and for today's video, in an honest review of a popular cafe here in Sumulong, Antipolo, Typica Cafe. If you're new to my channel, hit the follow button for more reviews like this. So, Typica Cafe review, let's do this. Parking, 5 stars for me. Do not be fooled by the location next to the BC Highway. Typica Cafe actually has ample free parking. Just head inside the entrance. It might seem a little dark, so be careful driving. 4-star for the service. We visited on a weekend during peak hours, so expect a bit of a wait. We waited about 15 to 20 minutes in line. 3 stars for the coffee. We tried the regular coffees. While it's definitely not instant and uses real beans, it was a bit too sweet for my taste. I'm a black coffee drinker, by the way. However, the coffee beans themselves seem high quality. 4 stars for the ambience. The ambience would probably be amazing if we came earlier in the day, hence the 4 stars. So as a tito like me, I wasn't a huge fan of the crowds. But hey, that's just me. Accessibility, 2 or 3. Just a heads up, this cafe might not be ideal for the whole family or for people with disabilities or seniors. There are 2 floors to navigate, and the restrooms might not be comfortable for everyone. For the payment, they accept cash, GCash, and credit cards. But remember again, respect everyone's vibe and travel preferences. But for me, this cafe might not be the most accessible option.